Hello and welcome back to our channel, Got Suspended Clients. Today we're going to talk about suspension and reinstatement in the result. And before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit the ring bell button below to be notified about our new tutorials. Amazon suspension usually shows up out of nowhere, and most of the time no one is ready for that. No one has ever imagined that it can happen to them. However, it has. And most of the sellers who run their business on Amazon are not ready for this turn of events because it is considered to be an entirely new world for them, which is full of difficulties and unknown information. So here are some instructions from our team for your confident fight against Amazon account suspensions. Right off the bat, try to figure out everything about your suspension. What does it mean and why has it happened to you? And what triggered it? Try to find out the root cause of your suspension and have a full understanding of your problem. Conduct a full audit with your business and detect your weak sides, where you have gone wrong and what led to the suspension. Once you understand what your suspension is about and detect the root cause of the suspension, it is time for drafting your appeal. Keep in mind that each point of your POA should be related to your suspension. And also, simply keep an open line of communication with Amazon, trying to be completely transparent in your plan of action. If you don't know how to choose the right supplier, make sure you read our blogs and know more about the e-commerce world. Also, go ahead and visit our website, gotsuspendedclients.com. Also, you can follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. We have an interesting content there too. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And see you next time. Bye.